It's been a while since I made a video. I got carried away with all my other tasks, so here I am back with my video. Watch till end of this video to know the important astronomical events in April. Even though it's already the third day of April, I believe the information will still be helpful for you. Welcome to another episode of Lookup in the Sky. Hello fellow humans, I'm back. Officially, the winter is over. As our favorite Orion constellation is no longer fill our night sky, the new constellations and planets are going to be visible. April the 3rd, the first astronomical event of the month, lunar occultation of Uranus. It's really an important event, but unfortunately not everyone in this planet can see it. Only the people from East Africa and South Africa will get a chance to see this important event. If you're from there, don't miss the chance. April 5th, conjunction of Mars and Saturn. This is an amazing event that anyone can see from any part of the world. You don't need a telescope, you don't need a binocular. Just with the naked eyes, on 5th of April, you can see both Mars and Saturn on the same space. If you have a telescope, then this is an amazing moment where you can fit both Saturn and Mars in a single frame. During this event, the brightest object will be the Saturn. With the help of a powerful telescope, you can picture the rings of Saturn along with Mars. Even though in reality they are millions of miles apart, from the perspective of planet Earth, it's going to be on a single point or together. Next important astronomical event, the pink moon. It's a full moon of April. Even though it's called as pink moon, it's not gonna look pink, it's just another full moon of the month. The next important astronomical event is conjunction of Moon and Saturn. On 25th of April, the Moon and Saturn are going to look closer. First we saw Mars and Saturn conjunction. Now it's going to be Moon and Saturn conjunction. Of course, obviously the Moon will be brighter, but this will be an amazing moment to photograph a picture where Moon and Saturn in a single frame. Then literally just 2 days later, 27th of April, Moon and Jupiter is going to be at the same point. So this conjunction is called as conjunction of Moon and Jupiter, where Jupiter and the Moon will be meeting at the same right ascension axis. In between that, on 22nd of April, Leonid meteor shower. This is the only or the best meteor shower of this month. It's going to produce only 18 meteors per hour, but if you are living in a place with a clear night sky without much of light pollution, it will give you an amazing opportunity to see a lot of meteors. The best time to see the meteor is closer to midnight, but it depends on when the constellation Hercules is above the horizon. 30th of April, two important astronomical event is going to happen on the same day. One of them is a partial solar eclipse. It's not going to be visible all over the world. Only the southern parts of South America and southern parts of South Africa and Antarctica can see this. And the second one is Black Moon. It's a new moon day, but it's called as Black Moon because it's the second new moon in the same month. It won't happen often, it only happens once in a 29 months where two new moon event appears on the same calendar month. This time it was on 1st of April and then 30th of April. Finally, the April 21st. This is the most important astronomical event that I'm looking forward. On 21st of April, you're going to see a comet. This was a comet which was discovered last year by the team called Panstars. Comet is not going to be super bright, so if you're in a really remote area with a really less light pollution, with the powerful gadgets, it's going to be an amazing opportunity to capture the picture of this comet on 21st of April, where the best view will be attained. I hope that I will get a chance to see this comet or capture a picture. If I do, I will share it with you later. So until then, thank you for watching. Maybe meet again. Glad we met today. Normally, I'm not a person who kind of delivers a social message. Now I felt a bit embarrassed as a person who's interested in space when I'm thinking that if there is an alien in like let's say 100 light years away or 50 light years away, and let's say they have the most powerful telescope and looking at planet Earth, all they're gonna see is starvation, fight, war, blood, and just us. It's really pity that humans who behave like they don't deserve Earth are trying to look into the space. Maybe I'm not talking about in particular Ukraine, I'm talking about Ukraine, Palestine, Syria, Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Eritrea, Sri Lanka, Taiwan, Burma, pretty much like any part of this planet. Well, I hope that we will reach a point where we will see only the shooting stars in the sky, not the shooting missiles. But until then, I don't think we deserve space. Hope the humans march towards science and knowledge. If not, may humans rest in peace.